everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Today I will be sharing about the Derma Rollers that I received from Shopee. So I actually ordered these products and these were not given to me. If you notice, my hair is kind of light today. It's because I dyed it last night with 9.1 Brie Mod. And it's still very light because I just dyed it. So it will adjust after a few weeks. So, watch. But today's focus is not going to be my hair, but going to be my face. Alright, so if you notice, I have few pimples and a few scars here, and if you also notice, I have large pores. So that will be our focus for today. We'll be trying to fix that, and because I have researched about Derma Rollers, and this is one of the first Derma Rollers that I received from Shopee. It's a micro roller system, and it's efficient for anti-aging skin, regeneration, skin tighten, so naman inimsik naman regeneration of skin, tightening, and also collagen stimulation therapy. So the 1.0 millimeters actually very long for often use, if you often use it. 0. Sige, dali. Putangan na diha. So 1.0 millimeters actually medyo taas ra na siya for daily use. This can be used per research 4 to 6 weeks, every 4 to 6 weeks. And you need to also ensure, by the way, this is, so I paid 270 pesos. This is already for 2 Derma Rollers and shipping fee. I really feel bad. Why? Because I asked them to change my order because I just noticed that I received the 1.0. So I asked them to change it to either 0.25 or just give me 2.5 millimeter Derma Rollers. However, they did not change it. So I now have duhan akong 1.0 and I have this 0.05. So if you can see, it has 540 needles, and you need to make sure you sanitize every use. When you open the package, it will come in with a seal. Here. Lahit tong seal sa usa. The other one I received, medyo medical ang iyang pagka-seal. But I already threw it away. Okay. Hala. Crack iyang case. May crack iyang case. Good luck. Anyway, so this is how the case looks like. Okay, and this is how the Derma Roller looks like. It has an easy grip part here in the handle. So I'm gonna try this out now. You need to make sure you sanitize this. With alcohol before use, and make sure you let it dry before using. Okay, so I already poured alcohol in the Derma Roller. So what I noticed from other beauty vloggers, they also placed alcohol on their face through cotton circles or cotton swabs. But I won't be doing that because I believe that alcohol is a very strong ingredient to be placed on your face. So, it's still wet. I'm dusting it now, it's still wet. Let's let it dry first. Okay. So for 0.5 millimeters, I think you can use this every 2 weeks because Derma Rollers will cause your skin to excrete collagen. You're forcing it, you're stressing it so that it will produce collagen to your face. So, sa exercise pa, sige kag workout, ana, para mo nindot imong muscles. That's the same thing that you're doing with your face. You're pressuring it, you're stressing it so that it will somehow resolve the issues that you have on your face, like the large pores, blackheads, whiteheads, and so on and so forth. I think this is already dry. So when you use a derma roller, you need to use it in 4 directions: up, down, left to right, or right to left, and diagonal. Okay, and you need to avoid as well the skin in your eye area because it's kind of thinner than other sides or other parts of your face. So let's start with our forehead. You don't really need to push it hard. So if you can see, it's already reddening. And you need to also avoid the parts which has active pimple, because it might, so if you notice there's already reddening in my face, because it might be infected. So please don't mind the background noise. I have a fan on because my AC is overused and namisilingan gabarina. Right, so I have an active pimple here. I'm gonna skip that spot. I really have problem. My problem area is really this area here. If you can see, my pores are really huge, so I'm gonna roll on those parts. So just skip the part which has pimple. So if it's your first time to use, like me, I think I've used this before but in a spa, so I was not the one maneuvering it. So it will really sting a bit, but it's manageable. So if iniingon mo na flawless na ko, sorry, I'm not. I have pimples, large pores. I have blackheads and whiteheads. So make sure not to apply too much pressure kay na masama. Yeah, masamad imuhang naong but basin malubong maayo ba. So this is just 100 plus and I don't think this is the original ones. There are expensive derma rollers and if you have money, mas mayog ka to inyong paliton. Sometimes you will bleed. Labi na kung menstruation daw nimo, mas kusog ang pressure sa inyong dugo. Ang flow di ay pressure. And some beauty vloggers also use numbing cream. The ones they use for tattoo before tattoo sessions, in case dili kay mo makatolerate og pain. You can use that. So if you think that my camera right now is not really that clear, I'm just using my phone because my camera was borrowed by my husband yesterday. And I was already vlogging when Zenon returned it. So, normal na nang mamula inyo ng ang uban gani grabe kay magdugo. So, if you maintain derma rolling for a few months, you will really notice that muhamis din inyong nang. I've seen beauty bloggers use it for a very long time, and others even maintain it because nindot yung kayo iyang effects. Per my experience right now, I can say na pinakasakit na part na derma rollan is the forehead. Dili ra kay siya sakit sa aping o sa suwang. So you can use this every 2 weeks, the 0.5. Of course, you need to let your skin heal as well. Dili kay kad adlaw nini muna. Saon na lang na muna. Di ra kay siya sakit diring dapita. So expect redness and sometimes blood because that's going to be a normal thing when you're derma rolling. Napod gani mo gamit ani sa ilang buhok for regrowth daw. I have not really tried that, but perhaps if I find the courage, I will try it on my scalp as well because I also have hair thinning, especially these areas here, due to old age and due to pregnancy. So muna siya. Okay, so I think that's it. If you can notice, I have reddening on my face. Please make sure to sanitize your derma rollers before and after use. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Medyo hanghang siya. Sometimes they also use creams after derma rolling to protect their face. You can use moisturizers as well, but please make sure I would recommend organic moisturizers or organic ingredients for your face. Guys, if you want to show your support once again, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below and tap on the notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. If you have questions about me, about derma rolling, can you leave them in the comments below? And I hope to see you in my next vlog, and I hope to share my success stories in the future about derma rolling. So, once again, if you want to purchase this in Lazada, this is only 100 plus. For 2 derma rollers, I bought it for 270 plus shipping fee. So, mo ni siya guys. Hope to see you in my next vlog, lovies. Bye! Take care, lovies.